July 7, 2022 is a Thursday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Philadelphia. The temperature today should reach up to 84 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 66%. You can expect 7.71 millimeters of rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got light breeze at about 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be hot with light rain. Saturday is going to be warm with moderate rain. Sunday is going to be warm with light rain. Monday is going to be warm with scattered clouds. Tuesday is going to be hot with light rain. Wednesday is going to be hot with light rain. Thursday is going to be hot with light rain. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other Pennsylvania news, hire Exorcists to end mass shootings, offers Fox News contributor. Exorcisms are the new gun control, at least according to Fox News contributor Bill Bennett. In other Pennsylvania news, Carlos Santana recovering after collapsing on stage in Detroit. Santana fans in Michigan had a scary evening last night. In other Pennsylvania news, rocker Carlos Santana doing well after collapsing on stage. Guitar icon Carlos Santana collapsed on stage during a show in Michigan and was rushed to a hospital, later blaming the episode on forgetting to eat or drink water. In our next story, wash your mouth out with shapeshifting metal. Experts in chemistry, dentistry, and engineering have developed a way to electromagnetically control iron oxide nanopart particles to clean plaque on human teeth. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but Carlos Santana collapsed on stage. Tonight's Pennsylvania show postponed. Later this month, guitar legend Carlos Santana will turn 75, which is an amazing feat even if you're not still playing to thousands upon thousands of people. In other Pennsylvania news, bad auction, 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. This 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning is powered by a supercharged and intercooled 5.4-liter V8 mated to a 4-speed automatic C transmission and a limited slip differential. In other Pennsylvania news, Eric visits an American grave, part 1139. This is the grave of Smedley Butler. Born in 1881 in Westchester, Pennsylvania, Butler grew up in the Gilded Age Penns. Pennsylvania Elite. That's it, Pennsylvania. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).